Recording.
Alright, so we're about ready to throw this motor together. I've got it all torn apart, cleaned up, sourced parts. I am right now finishing up putting the last little bits of seal bond or case bond on here. And I'm about ready to drop the case half on. So the trick to this is you put this stuff on and smear it out with your finger, kind of get it film going. So anyway, so there's a couple things to really watch here on this. You have this ring that goes on this side, and so I'm gonna have my helper hold my crank connecting arms up. We're gonna sit down right in this case here, watching where not only is my ring going here, which is now kind of in place, but also where my seal is going. Goes. Alright, the most important thing is the seal placement. Now, you might notice that I have this case bond on the seal right there, and that's to ensure a good seal. I had a cylinder go on that side, and at this point I'm just making sure that my I's are dotted and my T's are crossed. So I'm going to go ahead and that's going to be good right there. Now I'm going to take my case top, flip it over, and help is going to feed those crank connecting rods up and through as I settle the case down on. Make sure you don't do a stupid like that right there. Oh, pick him up, buddy. And put it on the right way too. Real important to make sure that you're getting this seal again right in that spot where it wants to be. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and take here we go, bud. We're going to get our case bolts, and we're going to go ahead and put our case bolts in. Stop.